Let's do some morning chores. Let's go. It's been really muddy lately, so let's get on the boots. Let's go. Been super muddy lately. Let's bring the dog with us. Turkeys look good. Gotta get my Silky some food. And she'll get a scoop of pig feed. Looks good. There y'all go. One little piggy, true little piggy. Here's your food. There y'all go. Y'all look good. Wow. Food and water. The quail got food and water. And these quail got food and water. Let's get some quail eggs out of here. Looks good. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Been muddy. Got some eggs. Y'all look good. The guineas look good. If y'all want more videos like this, please like and subscribe and drop a comment. Hope you enjoyed. Out.